Hello and welcome again to Clean Nuts, and today we're doing a comparison between a dry state body shell. So this one's come from California. It's an MGB Roadster. You can see it's left-hand drive and it's got the pressed steel wheels. Look on the right, see there's a little protrusion coming out at the bottom of the tail light. So that tells us that it's between, and it's got reversing lamp cut out. So that tells us it's between 68 and 74. So 74, 26, 46 years old. And it's been painted not recently. When you look at it closely, you can see some little bubbles under the paint. So the ideal starting point for someone to build a Roadster from. A friend of mine's just imported it. I thought it'd be good to look at. But look at it, it's so clean and so solid. And what we'll do in a minute is compare it to a UK car that's been subject to the rain and salt. So it's not without its problems. It's got these little blisters under the paint. There's a little bit of damage here and there, but structurally it's sound. Now I'll tell you what I'd like your opinion on, whether you think it's had, see the little blebs? You can see it's been painted, but it's solid. Now, are these the original floors? Have a better look. That is a question. That's an area that really goes badly on UK cars. Rear spring hangers are good, cross members are good, castle rails are good, seals are good. Look at the boot. It's amazing. It's simply amazing. Bit of damage on the back there. I think that happened with the transporting, because it came over in a container. It's been clouted by something. There's that protrusion for the light, which dates the shell. So it's not pull handle, so it's not an early car. See those welds around the floors? I think the floors have been replaced. Look at all those spot welds. I've not seen those before. So it really is a great starting point. So let's now draw a comparison between that and a UK car. So compare that with what you get here. Now this is a 1980 car. So 1980, that's 6 years newer than the other car. At best. Look at that. Horrible. Deep-rooted rust. See, the floors are different. Haven't got those little spot welds. Single battery car because it's a rubber bumper model. So this is what you get from, not from a dry state, from a wet, rainy country like Britain. Seals always rot here. It's had some kind of funny repair on it here, look. Anyway, I'll let you decide and let you think about it. There's more footage of the red one to follow on if you want. But until next time, like and subscribe, and I'll see you later at Clean Nuts.